Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how you can earn $600 a day reading emails. This is going to be a really easy way to make money online, and I think you're really going to enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All the subscribers really do help this channel out, and we appreciate each and every one of you. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications for my future videos, which I'll be posting. And if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, I know that it has been quite a while since I posted a video last. Things got a little bit crazy with the whole COVID-19 and the distance learning and just everything all together. So we took a little bit of a break off. But we are coming back now, and we hope that you are going to be tuning into our channel, watching all the videos that we're going to be posting, because it's really important for you to learn how to make money online, especially in this day and age when we're having things like global pandemics and things like that. You're going to want to be able to work from home, not have to leave your house, not have to risk exposure and being out in public when things like this do happen. You never know when we might have another global pandemic, so definitely check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's down below. So getting right into this video, I want to teach you how you can make a lot of money just reading emails every day. And we're going to pop over to the site that we're going to use for the day, and it's called Bindale.com. So www.bindale.com. This is what you're going to be pulling up to as soon as you go right to the site, and it's really quick and easy. It's a quick sign up, and no matter what, as soon as you sign up, you immediately start making money. Now, when I say that you start making money, you're not earning credits or gift cards or tokens or anything like that. You're actually going to be making cash money, which is one thing that I really, really like about this site. So get yourself signed up, and you immediately earn $1 sent to either your PayPal or directly to your bank account. Now, as you know, I use PayPal a lot in my methods of making money online. So if you haven't made yourself a PayPal account, get yourself over there and do that. All you need is a bank account as well as an email to get yourself signed up and going with PayPal. So check it out. You're going to be able to use it on a lot of other methods of making money online and the other videos that I have posted on our channel. So getting right into it, guys, I know that Bindale is more of a research site, and you can do surveys. You can make money with surveys. We know that doing surveys isn't going to be optimizing your time. You're not going to be making as much money as you would by doing the reading of the emails. A lot of people are doing the surveys, which means there's a lot of competition and a lower payout rate. So if you want to do the surveys on here, make a little bit extra money, but I don't recommend doing that as your full-time form of trying to make money online. It's just going to take you that much longer to make your initial gains here making money as an entrepreneur online. So what you're going to do is you're going to click over here, hit the sign up button. Now you can do surveys, like I said, and you can also do emails for like healthcare, pharmaceutical, beverage preferences, cable TV, phone usage, things like that. So we're looking right at the actual sign up itself. You're going to need an email address. They want your name, your last name, an address, and just a little bit of information about you. Now skipping ahead, when you start reading these emails, they are going to have preferred countries that you are from doing these email readings. Usually it's going to be like America or Canada. So I suggest that you use a VPN. If you are not from one of those countries, what a VPN does is it registers your computer to a certain area or a certain country. Now, if you download yourself a free VPN, you can change the registered country that your computer is hooked up to. Now, when you do that and you initially sign up for this, you are going to need to have your address match whatever country you're using through your VPN. Now you're probably wondering, where are you going to figure out an address for a country that you're not even from? Go to Google. Google will find you an address, just type it in and just get yourself going there. So it's really simple, easy, fill it out, and then you just hit continue. So, so once you're all signed up, you want to go back to the initial page that you were at before. Okay, there we go. Because I want to draw your attention down. Now, another thing that you can do on Vindale is they do need writers, and they pay crazy money for writers. It's about $30 to $45 an hour. So check that out if you're really good at writing. But I just want you to see, Vindale members have earned more than $7,939, or yeah, $7,939,326 already. Not tokens, not credits, not gift cards, cash money directly deposited into their PayPal accounts or their regular banking accounts. So guys, if you don't already have a bank account, you can find one online. You don't even need to leave your house and set up an account with a bank either. If for some reason you're still in lockdown, there are plenty complete online banks. So go to Google, check that out too. It's really simple and easy to do, guys. All you really need is your cell phone, a tablet, a computer of some sort, and you can get yourself going. So you can even use just a smartphone to really start making money online using this method. Now, once you get started, the types of topics that you can do the emails for are like cars and trucks, home improvement, health and beauty, travel and leisure. Now, when you first get started, I highly recommend that you check out each and every one of these categories and at least try one. Find what works well for you and maybe something that you really do enjoy. If you are doing this to really try and make as much money as possible, I recommend going to shopping and fashion, where you can earn more money per email reading. As you can see, there's quite a few jobs, and you can just keep going. There's a lot more in there for you to be able to find one that works good for you and one that you're going to be able to make the most money doing. Now, a lot of these jobs are going to cost between $10 and $15 per assignment, and the assignments don't really even take that much time. So that's how you're going to be able to, if you allocate so many hours a day doing this, that's how you're going to be able to make $600 a day. It's really quick. It's really easy. I highly recommend it. Once you sign up, you can immediately start making money online. Just a quick sign-up fee. Now, they also have a referral program as well, where you can refer somebody and you will get paid $5 per referral. So that's another thing that I really, really liked about this site is their referral program is about $5 every time that you refer somebody. So you're probably asking me, like, what does that mean? So if you tell, your aunt, your uncle, your cousin, every one of them goes and signs up to work on this site, you get a $5 credit, not a credit, $5 sent directly to your account per person. So you can get all your friends, all your families, go on your social media, get everybody on there signed up, and you can make money too. And even if you only make 4 people or get them to sign up, you're going to be able to earn $20 just doing that. So you'll get a referral link, make sure that they click through that link, throw it in, if you've got another YouTube program going on, throw it in your description. Tell people to click the link and check it out. If they end up signing up through that link, you get $5. It's really, really, really simple, guys. It's a really easy, quick way to make money online. And like I said, you make money just signing up. So what you do is you go over here, you go to the sign up, you get yourself signed up, you get yourself a VPN, and you just start reading these emails. Find what works for you and what works best, and you can start making money online. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I missed making them, and I'm really happy to be back. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We are slowly building our subscribers and really appreciate all of you so, so much. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. And if you really want to know how I'm able to make a full-time income online from my house, check out my number one recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.